Hi, this is Karen, and today I'm going to teach you how to put items on hold. The first thing you should do is go to our website, which is www.nesmithlibrary.org, and this is the screen that you'll see. So if you want to search for a book, you can search by title, author, keyword. Let's see, today I just got a new puppy. I want a book on dog training. So you put in dog training, and this brings you to our catalog. Now, today, if you hit search options, it will show everything from all of our GMILKS libraries, but right now we are only going to be offering our own items. So I'm going to change it to Nesmith items only. So it will only show our items. Okay, let's see. I want to do relevance. I don't want publication date. So let's see. First one's dog training. That doesn't look bad. Now this is an ebook. If you see this symbol right here, that means it's a downloadable book. I want a physical book right now. Oh, The Complete Idiot's Guide to Choosing, Training, and Raising a Dog. That's what I need. So I decided on this book. If you want more information about the book, if you hit full display, that will tell you more details about the book. But right now I know I want this book, so I'm going to hit place request. Okay. And then this is where you log in. You want to put your barcode number on the back of your card and your password. A hint, if you haven't changed your password, it was automatically set up as the last 4 digits of your phone number. If that doesn't work and you forget it, you can hit forget your password right here, and that will email the password to you. So I already saved my password right here, so I can go ahead and log in. And then you want to just hit submit request, and that will put your request has been placed. This just tells preferences, the address and phone number. I want to go back to search results because I might want to put another one on hold. Let's see, how to speak dog. Let's try that one. So now that I'm already logged in, there's a button here called one-click request. If I hit that, because I'm already logged in, it just automatically puts it on hold. So I can just go down the list and say, oh, that looks good. One-click request. Now this one, see what it says 0 of 1? That means we do own it, but it's out right now. So I might have to wait for that one, which is fine. And let's see, one more, one-click request. And when this comes up, if you click on View My Requests, that will bring you back to your account and show you everything that you put on request. Okay. If you change your mind, you can always cancel a book. And when you're in here, this is Thomas Nesmith's account. You can see what items you have out. You can pay fines. You can go to e-resources here. So I'm done for the time, so I'm going to go ahead and log out. And then I will get a notification once the books are ready, how it's set up in my account. I have email set up, so I'll get an email. If you have it set up for a phone call, you'll get a phone call. Any questions, feel free to call us at 432-7154 or email info@nesmithlibrary.org. Thanks a lot. Take care.